So now let's see how we can work around with sum, count, max, minimum, and average formulas inside of Google Sheets. So over here, if I were to go around onto the top right, you can see formulas is an option. And once I click on it, you can access out these sum, average, count, max, minimum formulas on the top. And you can also access other formulas, like say, for example, in all, you got all the formulas that are possible to be entered right here. So you do not actually have to remember it. You can just know like what each of the formulas actually does. You can go around over here. You can go around over filter. You can go around over into date operator, as you can see, and then just choose the formula that you want to apply. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the formula onto this range of cell right here. So let's say I want the sum over here. I want to say something like total, and I want to apply the sum. So in that case, you can press equals to and sum right here, and you actually get the formula, as you can see. So sum right here, and then I want to select a range. So I want to sum out all of these ranges right here. So you can see that as I click and drag, it says E2 to E18. I can close the bracket right here, press enter, and there you go. There's the sum. I can click and drag this, and what that does is it actually sums up this one right here. So I'm just going to change that to percentage, so you can see that now this is the sum for F2 to F18, and this is E2 to E18, and that is how it actually works out. So another thing that you can do is, say for example, if I were to go around and then turn this into a count. So instead of sum, if I were to type in count, press enter right here. So let me just press enter. Then it counts the number of cells right here. You can also go around over here and type in average. Let's say, for example, type in average just like this, press enter, and average is 105, as you can see. Similarly, there are other things like there's max right here. So simply go around over here, select it, and max right there. So maximum is 150, as you can see. And if you want to work around with minimum right here, if you were to click on minimum right here, click and drag this out all just like this, and there you go, there's the minimum, that is 80, as you can see. And you can click and drag, and then that is how it actually works. So you can see that the minimum is right here. So you can just go around right here onto percentage. You can see minimum, it says 4%, minimum it's $80, just like that. And that is how you can use the sum, count, max, min, and average formulas inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.